I think what I see so far is that it's growing in the right direction. You're producing good wines already, and you are producing even better wines now than you did 2 years ago when I tasted. Today we're tasting a lot of wines from 2014, which is a very difficult year in Serbia because you had a lot of rain, but there's also some wines from other vintages. And a lot of the wines are showing good progress. It's really interesting to see the quality of the wine and the enthusiasm I feel I meet from some of the wine producers we have seen so far is fantastic. So it's really good. And I must say that Serbia, the sommelier organization, again is doing a fantastic job. They're gathering people from around the world for an international sommelier meeting, and what we are seeing here is fantastic. Everything is well organized, everything is running smoothly, on time, well presented. Well done job.
Now you're here, but were you impressed that when Serbia got the General Assembly?
No, I was not impressed. I was one of the guys who voted for it because I've been here before. I've seen what Serbia can do. I've seen what your country stands for. It's very good, it's very promising. So I was in no time in doubt that this could be a good place to have a General Assembly. I've been with ASI, the International Sommelier Association, for 33 years. I'm one of the very old guys in the association, but this is really well organized, a fantastic place to be. So it's good.
So you think that small countries like Serbia can benefit to ASI?
Definitely. They have a good chance of showing what they can do with the culture, with the wine, with the people, with the organization itself, and that's what they are doing.
Okay, thanks a lot.
You're welcome.